everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing right now. When you're watching this, you're fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, this is a back-to-back video, but I'm gonna space them out because that's why my makeup looks the same. I'm gonna do my Hempcrate for January, and I was so behind that you'll probably feel like I just saw this video. No, I got December's, and then I did that like really late into the January. So yeah, I'm basically doing 2 Hempcrates back to back. And if you don't know what Hempcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box for hemp and CBD products. It is completely legal in the state of Florida. And every box is, well, I pay $50 a month, $49.99. I'll leave prices on the screen as I do. If this is your first time here, welcome. And your tincture is included in every box every month, and that's supposed to pay for the box. And then they add some goodies like drinks and other gels and like lotions and fun stuff. So let's get right into this. Like I said, this is the January box. This is the first box of the year. I am on my 5th box, I believe, and I'll probably have to correct myself right here if I'm wrong. But yeah, let's just get right into this. Last month was a lot of peppermint, probably for the winter seasonal Christmassy thing. And then right on top I see a massage candle by Muddy Boots Botanics, made in Salem, Oregon. It seems like a lot of their stuff is all like organic. Of course, well, CBD isn't that natural, but a lot of small businesses is what I'm trying to say. So massage candle, I'm guessing there's a candle in here. The Koala full spectrum hemp beverage, 0 sugar, all natural, 0 calories, 20 milligrams full spectrum hemp. Save 25% on livejournal.com. Use Hempcrate 25 if you want to screenshot that. There's a coupon for it. And then it says, "Take me, original hemp was formulated with you in mind." And it's a little card, fold out thingy. It says tinctures, relief capsules, sleep capsules, energy capsules. I have a lot of sleepy stuff, so hopefully there's no sleepy stuff in this box. I haven't even started some of the sleepy stuff they've sent me already. And you get tissue. Ooh, okay, I see you. Let's see, the first thing we got, a sleepy tincture. So we're gonna get to that last. More sleepy stuff. I think I'm going to be sleeping just fine. I'm going to start sending some of this stuff out so I don't just have like this whole stock. I got a second Hippie Hemp Lip Balm. I already used my first one, so since this is usually in my purse, but it's winter, I appreciate the fact that I have another one. I think I've gotten 3 now, and I gave one to Mom. But this isn't a CBD product, this is just hemp, and it's spearmint. Yep, it's the same exact one as last time. It has this cute little hippie bus on it. But yeah, it's a good lip balm chapstick. I know chapstick's the actual brand, but you know what I mean. It's like, yes, it's good. And then, okay, so this is the candle. It's called Squeaky Clean Muddy Boot Botanicals. There's the seal. And it's 1,000 milligrams CBD massage candle, 3 ounces, contains less than 0.3% THC, soy wax, cocoa butter, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, coconut MCT oil, full spectrum hemp extract, essential oils, batch 22. Not evaluated by the FDA. That is typical. These are not FDA approved, but you know, they're all natural. So let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna have to read what a massage candle is on this little thingy. It smells okay. This is what it looks like. I was gonna be like, here, smell, but smell-o-vision hasn't been invented yet, but it just smells like pretty clean, hence the name, Squeaky Clean. And yep, you could definitely use this as massage oil. I'm wondering if that's what that means. I can't get the lid back on. I failed YouTuber. There it goes. Kind of like the muddy boot thing. It's cute. But I love candles, so... Nope, wrong one. Okay, so massage candle. It's a candle, massage oil, or balm. The ultimate 3-in-1 product for any occasion. Candles are a source of... Before I try to read. What are words? What are words? Candles are a source of ritual, routine, and deeply rooted tradition in many cultures, and these simple creations have been the shining light in homes and celebrations for over 5,000 years. Cleansing a space of ill sense, absorbing negative energies, and setting the mood, our candles are crafted with the special purpose of enveloping you in a luxurious, invigorating self-care. So, it burns for 15 hours. Free of, can't pronounce that word, and other harmful ingredients. Whatever that is. Sorry. I can't English today, so now I'm going to try to butcher that word. The top will fully melt within 30 to 40 minutes of burn time, after which the user can easily apply it for a skin-soothing experience. Okay. Melted oil is warm but not too hot for immediate use and will provide a pleasant massage experience for the individual or partner usage. Fancy. Key benefits: used as a body oil balm or simply as a candle. Plant-based ingredients with high-quality essential oil blends. I love me a candle anyway. Nourishes skin. This is pretty interesting. Okay. Multi-purpose candles. Digging it. And then we have packets of these. What are these, you ask? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 12 of these. Oh, excuse me, oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Original hemp, fresh berry tincture, full spectrum, 33 milligrams. So they're just little travel packets. That's pretty cool. So if you don't want to take the whole bottle with you when you're traveling, or if you're out and about for the day, so you can just take one of these. And then there's natural, so these are not flavored, and there's 4 of each. And then Vanilla Dream, but I'm not quite done with this RE Botanicals tincture yet, which I didn't really care for. It doesn't taste bad, it's just, I think it's too low for me. Yeah, full spectrum, 15 milligrams. I'm usually at like 1,000, but I'm trying to get through these tinctures before I start a new one. So 33 milligrams, that's not bad. So like a daily dose. Alright, I might send a couple of those out. And then we have the Koala sparkling beverage with 20 milligrams full spectrum hemp, raspberry, lime, 0 calories, sugar-free, all natural. So I did like the ginger drink. A lot of people didn't, but I did not mind it. I do like really strong ginger. I'm the only person I know who eats the ginger off the sushi plates and the wasabi. Like, I love wasabi. Ugh, clear some sinuses for me, baby, yes. I'll do some raspberry lime. Calm, focus, recover, and balance. Sparkling beverages just got better, whether you're looking to relax after a hard workout, unwind from the day's stress, or simply enjoy a deliciously refreshing drink. Koala's hemp-infused beverages are proof that sacrificing on taste is never an option. Grown in the USA, quality ingredients, and lab tested. Learn more at Live Koala. I hope I'm saying that right. Again, butchering words. Achieve balance with Koala, Facebook, and I think that's Instagram. It's tiny. So I'll try this. And it is, how many ounces is this? There's no ounce thing? Oh, it's 12 ounces. I can read. I have words. I have all the things. And then, stop sending me sleepy stuff. Stop sending me sleepy stuff. I don't know if these packets would count as a tincture, or if these soft gels are counting. It's by Harmonic. You can see how annoyed I am that I have so many sleepy tinctures, but I like having my CBD during the day. It helps me function, so I don't need the melatonin right now, people. I'm gonna write them and be like, look. I know a lot of people take it for sleep, but I actually do like taking it during the day. Anyways, let's talk about these. Per bottle is 750 milligrams. It's 25 milligrams per soft gel, 30 soft gels. Rest, tranquil sleep with melatonin. I have so much melatonin. I'm going to probably send these to somebody, but I'm sure this paid for the box. So, yeah, hemp extract, 27.75 milligrams, 25 milligrams cannabidiol. Butcher that word every time too. It's 5 in the morning now. Yeah, it says it contains tree nuts. In parentheses, it says coconut. So if you have an allergy, always read the ingredients. Water-soluble CBD soft gels are created with a patent-pending nano-emulsion technology that makes bioavailability and absorption greater than that of regular oil-based CBD products. So okay, more sleep stuff. A little bitter about that, but that means I have some stuff to send out to maybe a lucky 500 giveaway, because I'm like 1 or 2 away from 500, so I've been planning a giveaway. But yeah, I'll probably have to do my my giveaway in a way that if you don't want CBD stuff, I'll have to have a separate giveaway, or you could do both. I know that Rachel Dealey LaFay, who got me into this box, thank you again. You can go check out her channel if you haven't yet, please do. She's awesome. But I know she does multiple giveaways in case like when something doesn't fit, or if you're not into CBD, like she'll do separate giveaways. So giveaways are hard to make like one size fits all, if you get my, like, kind of a pun there, because I just said if something doesn't fit. One size fits all, like not everybody's going to be into CBD, not everybody's going to like that hair bow you're giving away. But yeah, once I get to 500, I'll think about it, I'll sit on it, I'll think a little bit more. And then I thought, and I think, Disney movie was that from? Anyways, you can tell it's 5 in the morning because I'm starting to just talk and talk and talk. So before I do that, before I talk your ear off for 30 more minutes, I'm gonna let you go. For that box, like I said, the only thing I'm really kind of annoyed about is I keep getting sleepy tinctures, and I have plenty. Please give me an awake tincture, if you will, Hempcrate, please. So what I might do is use the coupon, because you get a coupon usually for Hempcrate, like for the store on hempcrate.com or .co, and you can buy stuff from the store. So what I might do when I run out of this one that I'm on right now, I might go buy my own tincture that doesn't make me sleepy. I have no problem sleeping, trust me. It's getting up and going that's my problem. But it's also my fault for being awake at 5:06 in the morning doing these back-to-back recordings because I'm so behind in my videos. But I love you so much. I will talk to you very, very soon. If you want me to do that 500 subscriber giveaway, make sure I get those 1 or 2 more subscribers, because otherwise I can't do anything. It's out of my hands. It's up to you to subscribe. You have to be subscribed. You have to like the videos. You have to comment every now and then. Let me know you're alive. You know, say hey. Even if you don't like the video, just be like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'll let you go. I'll probably talk to you tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye. Pixi out. Love you so much. Bye. Awkward Pixi out. Love you. Bye.